Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to continue working on this form and add some more features. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Previously I have added a message that if the username is less than 10 characters, it's going to display an error immediately. So here, if we just type some username, as you can see, the number of characters is less than 10 characters, and it's going to display this error or this message. And if I increase the number of characters over 10, the message will be removed. So this is only one error message. But what if we want to add more messages? For example, if we want to check if the username contains a specific word, maybe we want to prevent some words or characters. And in order to accomplish that, we can add some else if statements to the if here, to the event listener. We can add here one more else if. Here, if I add else if, let's say that we want to check for a specific word. We want to prevent users from using a specific word as a username. So for example here, I'm going to use again username.value and then dot includes. And what this function is going to do is that it's going to check for the existence of a specific word in a string. So here we can type whatever we want. Maybe we want to prevent the word C, I don't know, any word you want to prevent users from using it as a username, you can add it in the includes. And then if that condition is true, then we will display an error message. So here we can just use again this line of code and paste it and change the error message from username must be at least 10 characters to the word C cannot be used as username. So now if I save and go back to check, so as you can see now, let's refresh. Let's add the word C. So here, of course, the first error it's going to check is the number of characters. So here, if I type C and then continue, let's say C is blue and then one more character. And as you can see here, it says the word C cannot be used as a username. So it's going to check the number of characters, and then it's going to check for the specific word in the username. And as you can see, it will be displaying this error message instead of the other error message. And maybe we want to add more ifs here to check other things. Maybe you want to check other words. So in order to check other words, you would just use another else if and pass the word that you want to prevent users from using it as a username in the includes. And of course, if you want to make it more efficient, you can use regular expressions, but it's a little advanced and I'm going to talk about it later. So that's it for this tutorial. If you liked this video, share, like, and subscribe. And also check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.